In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack, specifically tailored for coaches and agencies in 2025. Slack has become an essential tool for communication and project management, offering a multitude of features designed to streamline your workflow and improve team collaboration. Whether you're new to Slack or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to Slack by typing in the URL or clicking on the link if you have it saved in your bookmarks. Once you're on the Slack website, you'll see the login page. Enter your credentials to access your workspace. This is where all your team communications and project management happen, so make sure to keep your information secure. Once logged in, you'll likely see the main dashboard of your team's workspace. It's intuitively designed to help you access critical functions quickly. Look towards the left sidebar. This is where you'll manage your channels and direct messages, as well as access any Slack apps you might have installed. Now, focus on creating new elements within Slack. Begin by moving to the left sidebar and clicking on the Create New button. This area is your gateway to initiating various actions within Slack. Clicking this button reveals a drop-down menu with several options, each one critical for effective team coordination. First, you can create a new message. This is the basic form of communication in Slack, similar to sending an email, but much more instantaneous and organized. Messages can be directed to a specific person, a group, or even an entire channel. Next up, you have the option to create a new channel. Channels are central to Slack, acting like topic-specific chat rooms. They help keep conversations relevant and focused. This feature is perfect for organizing discussions around specific projects, departments, or topics. You can also initiate a huddle, which is an informal audio call designed for quick, spontaneous conversations, ideal for agencies and coaches who need to touch base with team members without the formality of scheduled meetings. Then there's the Canvas, a collaborative space where you and your team can work on documents together in real time, much like a shared whiteboard for brainstorming sessions. List is another option within the Create New menu. It allows you to compile tasks, to-dos, or information systematically, ensuring that everything you need is at your fingertips. Workflow is there to automate routine tasks and processes, boosting efficiency. And finally, you can invite people to your workspace, expanding your network by incorporating new team members or clients into your projects. And that's the overview of using Slack for coaches and agencies in 2025. Make sure to take some time to explore each of these features and customize your workspace to fit your team's unique needs. Slack is a powerful tool, and with practice, you'll find it indispensable for managing communications and projects.